This is an overview on how to check your students' stop signs and warning sign alerts in iReady. You will go into your class, you will select instruction on the left, and then select the subject under personalized instruction summary, reading or math. Once you're in the subject, you will see your classroom overview for the week, and you will see the alerts that show up on the left-hand side. If you click here in these arrows, you will get all the stop signs at the top, followed by the yield signs. The yield signs means that the student did not pass one lesson twice, the same lesson. The stop signs mean that the student did not pass 2 lessons in the same domain consecutively twice. That means they failed 4 times. Let's go look and see at the student. You can see at this student that right now, the only domain that they are actually getting instruction from is phonics. They already passed phonological awareness because it's not assessed at this level, but they have high frequency words, vocabulary, and comprehension off, and the comprehension close reading is off placement yet because it won't be available until 4th grade. To see down here, you see that the only lessons that the student has been getting has been in phonics. This is the only domain that is on. If you keep on going down, you see some teacher assigned lessons, but when we get to high frequency words, we see the 4 lessons that were not passed. We have high frequency words lesson 5 not passed twice, and lesson 6 not passed twice. You need to do an intervention at this time. You will click on the first one that they didn't pass, click on the lesson, and look at the lesson with the student. You here are going to find out if the student is not paying attention or if the student is not getting the concept.
To this face lab, do you want to? Are you sure you want to?
Once you're done doing the lesson with the student, you will go back up, and now you will click on the domain that you just intervened with. In this example, high frequency words. You will click on view, and you will see where the 2 lessons that were not passed. This is the placement for the diagnostic. This means that the student has not passed any lesson since they took the diagnostic. So you will keep the placement there, but if it was somewhere else, you can also select the teardrop and keep it there to place them there. You will toggle the domain on to turn that domain for the student, and the student will be able to take that lesson that they first failed, followed by the second one, once you go to the green arrow. Now this is the way, so you can turn on the domains, do intervention with the student, and make sure that they're understanding the concepts.